Welcome back to Big Waves Part 2. I had to delete some files. I ran out of space on this wonderful phone I have here. The cameras are great on these things. I mean, the quality of video is great, but I gotta get some more memory. So anyway, we are back to walking the beach and surfers and waves. Being a beach bum. I mean, look at how big that wave is. Look at that. Compared to a little human. I mean, that is a huge wave. Two of them. Look at how big that is. I mean, that's at least, that guy's 6 feet tall. That's at least a 12-footer that just came in there. Huge. There's 14, 15 feet. All right, we'll keep going. So anyway, people out enjoying life. It's a nice little remade hotel or apartment complex. I think that one is painted up nice and redone. That one's being worked on currently, it looks like. More houses. Nice little casas. There's that old hotel that I've shot a couple times next to Board Riders. Or sorry, not a hotel. This is an apartment building. This, I believe this is for sale. So you can buy